Welcome back to a new guide video on how to guide. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to change nickname on Messenger. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end without skipping any part. So first, let's head over to Messenger. And once you open up your Messenger app, just open up the chat of the person that you want to change the nickname of. Once you open up the chat, just tap on the eye icon that you see on the top right. Once you tap on it, the menu will open up. Now under customizations, you'll see a couple of options such as theme, quick reactions, nicknames, and word effect. Just tap on the nicknames, and from here you'll be able to change the nickname for the person on Messenger. So just tap on the person's name and you'll be able to either completely remove the nickname, just delete the existing name and type in any new name that you want. Either type in name or add in emojis. After that, tap on set and the emoji or the nickname will be set. Similarly, you can also do it for yourself. Tap on your name and you can also remove your existing name and then type in anything that you want. Tap on set and the nickname will be set for yourself also. So that was a real quick video on changing nickname on Messenger. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and also give this video a like if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be soon back with more informative videos just like this, and in order to not miss videos, make sure to turn on the notifications. That's pretty much it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.